cannot see now. Why don't you like meat? Huh?
Because there's a bone.
There's a bone. You don't like bone? Why don't you eat bone?
Because the bones are too hard.
They're too hard. Let me see your teeth. Because of your teeth. Okay. Then, which curry do you like to eat?
Only dal.
Only dal you like? Wow, very good. You like fish?
Nope.
No. Why?
Because
Fish is very tasty, you know.
fish are not. They're made by fish. When I eat only the small one. Small one. I eat these. It's very small. So soon has a fish already. So soon has a big fish already. So soon has a big fish.
Big fish.
What big fish is called orange fish.
Oh.
She got the orange fish because she like orange things. What the? Oh, the baby has a toy. Look, the baby has a toy.
Ui, you like that? You like that? Ini kalau thôi kia là cái tập bốn. Cái không hóa cầm đồng bột gì để hin. Do you like? What do you like?
I like only.
Ui, you like
Dal.
dal.
Yeah, I eat only a small fish. If I doesn't eat small fish, then I'll not be strong. I drink already medicine, but I'm not healthy yet. My lips are boo-boo, look.
Lips are boo already.
Yes.
Then what to do now?
We have to put medicine.
Oh.
It's sticky in my hand. It's sticky in my hand.
We will not eat food again now. Let's stop here. Let's keep, okay? Let's clean. Let's clean, okay? Everything.
I